Today, we're going to talk about stripping. Nope, not that type of stripping. So today, we're going to talk about stripping concrete, how to strip it so that way we can put antiquing down on it and we'll be able to reseal it. So the reason why we're stripping this is because you'll see pictures of this stuff, of the concrete is really white where we have stripped it, but some of the sealer on here has turned yellow. And so when it turns yellow, the problem with it being yellow is that was the issue of why we are stripping this and putting new sealer down. A lot of it also, the concrete has antiqued and all the antiquing is gone. And so there will be a whole video on how to antique stuff. But as you see today in this video, we will be showing you how to strip and how to do it. The first thing is we're going to use a product called Xylene. So if it's a water-based sealer, you're going to use a product called Xylene. Another product you can do is called soy gel. That is another product you can do is putting soy gel down. So what Xylene does is it emulsifies the sealer, so that way then you can take the turbo nozzle and you will be able to get down and get it all cleaned up. When you're doing these things, it does take time and it is very time consuming for your sealer. So it is definitely something that, you know, as you look into doing this, it does take time to do this. This job that we got here, it's around the pool area, the step, all the way up here, and DJ actually slated this for 4 days. So it takes time to be able to do this stuff. So again, we've been here about 4 hours today. We've already had to go to the store once to get more Xylene. We probably go back again. We have to get sealer and we got to get more Xylene to get this stuff off for the stripping. So Xylene is a solvent-based way to get solvent-based stuff off. So that is what we're going to be using. DJ ran out, and so we're over here to get more stuff. So he's got most of the pool area done. He's still got to do this area where I'm sitting at right now. So here are some reasons why you might have to strip. One, because you like to make a lot of money doing it. Oh, that's the wrong type of stripping. One is because of the coloring or something along those lines. The sealer isn't sealing right, whatever could be some of your problems. Another reason was, the reason why I actually had to do resealing is because we did a driveway and I put it down too thick, and when the car came in with its hot tires, it caused it to leave tire marks of the tire. So we had to strip it for that one. That one I wasn't able to put Xylene on it. I actually had to put soy gel down, and with soy gel usually you put a nice thick piece on it, or a nice thick layer like a big paint, and then what you do is when you do that, you got to let it sit overnight, you got to put tarps on it, and that's the way that you can do soy gel. So depending on what you have is how it's going to work for your Xylene, for whatever it might be. So with Xylene, you're just going to spray it down with a pump up sprayer. As you spray this stuff down with the pump up sprayer, you'll see that it will sit there. You need to take a brush and brush it in. And as you brush it in, you'll see it starting to emulsify. And then obviously you don't want to let it dry, or otherwise it's going to dry right back down on it. Once it's dry, you're going to take a turbo nozzle and pressure wash it off. You can try to use the surface cleaner on it, but it's going to gum all up around that surface cleaner. So that's why you don't really want to use a surface cleaner for removing the stripper off of it. So with that, I hope you've learned something about stripping concrete. And with that, as you watch this video, if you stripped something, let me know what your success was or how much of a pain in the butt was it in the comments. I'd love to hear your all story, and I'll see you in my next video.